Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, right trunk, and right support bracket. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the USB board. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Lift the USB board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the USB board onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the USB board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.